welcome all to the day 3 of Transform 2023, a free online yoga workshop series. If you are new here, please do watch the day 0, day 1 and day 2 video to continue here with day 3, Sleep, the magic gland with me, Ranjani from Atmic Yoga. Let's get started. In my yesterday's video, I have mentioned that there are various inputs given into this human system to receive the output. Food, one of the major input which we discussed yesterday, and today we will be discussing about the second major input that is under our control, sleep. Almost we are spending 1/3 of our lifetime in sleeping. Sleep being the essential time to recharge our body and mind, and there is no need to talk about the importance of sleep here as everybody knows about it. Our internal clock, the circadian rhythm, regulates our sleep cycle by secreting the hormones from the brain, and the sleep controls the other hormones like cortisol, which is essential to make us energetic in the morning, otherwise known as the stress hormone, or the human growth hormone, which is essential for self-healing of muscles, tissues and cells. There are various other hormones which are influenced by sleep. In short, a disturbance in sleep disturbs the hormones, which in turn again disturbs our sleep. This is a cycle. In today's world, where many people face hormonal imbalances like infertility, menstruation problem, thyroid issues, they all are linked with the disturbances in their sleep pattern. Like how we mentioned, it is important to keep our eating routine in accordance with the sun. It is also important to keep our sleep routine in accordance in the absence of sun, that is darkness. Our body can detect the absence of light signals and secrete the hormones related to sleep. If we keep watching the e-gadgets like TV, mobile, laptop until we sleep, it will disturb the secretion of sleep hormones, which in turn will disturb our sleep routine, which in turn will disturb our health. Whatever health problem we have, the crucial time that we give our body to self-heal is the time when we sleep. So it is important to develop a proper sleep routine to heal our physical and emotional ailments. It will take hours if I talk about the ill effects of late night binge watching of movies or working in shifts which is against the nature. But here I am going to give important tips to take care of your health by using sleep as the input. Many of us have the habit of using alarm for waking up. In the same way, do keep an alarm for your sleep routine. For example, every day if you are going to hit your bed by 10 p.m., keep an alarm by 9 p.m. So post your alarm, do not use your e-gadgets. This may sound hard in the beginning, but this is going to be the biggest step in moving forward in your health journey. Stop doing any strenuous or stressful activities post 9 p.m. or post your alarm time. Use this 1 hour to relax your body, relax your mind and do subtle activities in minimal amount of light. Set up a sleep routine. Go to bed every day in the same time and wake up every morning in the same time. This will help in readjusting or rejuvenating your circadian rhythm in accordance to your body. And do not use the snooze button in the morning. If you wish to know how to wake up easily in the morning, do watch the video linked here, and also I'll be giving the link in the description box below. One important yogic technique that will help you in improving your sleep routine or sleep pattern is Yoga Nidra. It is easy to remember the script of the Yoga Nidra and run in your mind while you lie on your bed, or in the beginning there are audios available that you can use to practice every day before you sleep. This will help you to get the maximum benefits out of your sleep. I'll be giving the link for Yoga Nidra in the description box below. Try to listen to the Yoga Nidra audios every day until this workshop completes. You can experience the magic of sleep in your sleeping time. People with sleep ailments can practice moon salutation or bedtime yoga poses in the evening or before bedtime to improve their sleep quality. So today's activity is to listen to the Yoga Nidra and practice moon salutation on the day 3 evening time, and also to stop using e-gadgets 1 hour before your bedtime and to set up a bedtime routine which is suitable for your lifestyle. If you have any comments, please do let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to Atmic Yoga channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we post a new video on this Transform 2023 series. You can follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the links in the description box below. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where we can discuss about health, fitness and diet related queries. Never miss to share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video, because sharing is caring. This concludes our day 3 video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.